When renovating, you must remove all residues from previous treatments. The surface needs to be evenly sanded. This is critical for a good result. We recommend a final 100 to 150 grit for furniture. Vacuum the surface and then clean it with Rubio Monocoat Cleaner to remove all the micro dust that is still left. For a low consumption, use 2 cloths. Wetten one cloth with cleaner and put another one over it. When it becomes too dirty, you take a clean part of the cloth. Allow to dry until the wood has its original color back. Open the can with a can opener and stir the A component well with an oil stirrer. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Pour the required amount of oil plus 2C component A into a mixing container. Carefully add the B component at a ratio of 3 parts A to 1 part B and stir thoroughly. Once mixed, you have 4 to 6 hours to use the product. Apply a small amount of the mixture with a brush and spread out using a beige scrubby pad. Work in sections that allow you to apply the oil and remove the excess within 15 minutes. Allow the oil 3 to 5 minutes to molecularly bond with the wood. Then wipe away the excess oil with a lint-free cloth. Application tools saturated with oil may spontaneously combust. After usage, they need to be soaked in water before disposal. Allow to dry for 24 hours in a well-ventilated room. The furniture may be lightly used after 24 hours. Wait at least 5 days to clean with water or soap. Keep the surface clean with our handy, ready-to-use Rubio Monocoat Surface Care. For stubborn stains, use one of our specific stain removers: lime spot, grease, or tannin remover. For a quick refresh of your piece of furniture, use Rubio Monocoat Refresh Eco.